These No-Bake Strawberry Cheesecake Cups are the perfect summer dessert, and they're pretty easy too. Start by washing and dicing 1 pound of fresh strawberries into bite-sized pieces. Add a 1/4 cup of brown sugar as well as a tablespoon of fresh lemon zest and lemon juice. Give this a good mix, then let sit for 15 minutes to allow the strawberries to soften in the lemon juice and sugar. In the meantime, crush 1 sleeve of graham crackers in a sealed plastic bag with a rolling pin. Of course, if you have a food processor, you can use that instead. Also, if you buy pre-crushed graham crackers, you'll need about 1½ cups. Add the graham cracker crumbs to a large bowl, then stir in a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. This is optional, but I really recommend you try it. Next, pour in a 1/4 cup of melted butter and stir until it has a texture similar to wet sand. Now in another bowl, it's time to make the filling by combining 8 ounces of softened cream cheese with 1 cup of sweetened condensed milk and finally a teaspoon of vanilla extract. It's easiest to do this with very soft cream cheese and an electric mixer, but a hand whisk will also work with a little elbow grease. Once the mixture is very smooth, it's time to assemble. Take a small scoop of the cream cheese mixture and pour it into the bottom of a drinking glass or a small mason jar. Next, add a couple spoonfuls of the graham cracker crumbs, and finally a good scoop of the macerated strawberries. Continue layering the 3 components until the cups are filled to the top, making sure the final layer is strawberries. Chill for 1 hour before serving, then enjoy. And while you're here, click on one of these other great videos and subscribe for more amazing recipes.